We all rise by lifting others. What a demanding world we live in. We wake up every morning to fully packed agenda. We are expected to reach a high standard and become better every day. We are pressured to win, excel, and succeed. In this process, we become more competitive and aggressive, and we forget to be kind. My name is Anya Densutham, and I'd like to take this opportunity to remind us all the power of kindness. Kindness is the quality of being generous, helpful, and caring. But did you know that kindness can multiply? If you are a student that teaches your classmates about a subject, your classmate will better understand the subject and you will learn better too. If you are an employee and you help out your colleagues, your company can achieve big business goals together. If you are a politician and you help the unfortunate in your community, they will have better lives and you will also win their hearts. Kind actions are easy to do, but their echoes are truly endless. When someone is treated with kindness, they will be inspired to pay it forward. Like a drop in the vast ocean, a single act of kindness can cause ripples that transform many people's lives in a positive way. You will also get the benefit from helping others. So, let's change from a winning mindset to a win-win mindset. Thank you.